Hello and Namaste. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see the top 15 car manufacturing countries in order of their ranking. The data shared here is of the year 2019. So let us begin. The country at 15th place is Indonesia. This country, as you know, is a part of Southeast Asia. Their production of cars is at 10,50,000 units. Slovakia is at 14th place. This country, a part of European Union, produced 10,90,000 cars last year. The 13th place goes to United Kingdom. Their yearly production of cars stands at 13 lakhs. This may go down even further in the coming years because of Brexit. Their well-known car brands are Jaguar, Land Rover, Vauxhall, etc. Morris Garage is also a UK brand but now under the control of the Chinese. Mexico holds the 12th spot. This being a low-cost country, many American car companies produce cars in Mexico and sell them in US of A. This adds to their final figure. Their car production stands at 13,80,000 units last year. Czechia is at 11th place. Skoda, Dacia are the car brands of this country. The car production of last year stood at 14,30,000 units. Russia takes the 10th place. It is a big country spread over European and Asian continents, and it is a developing country, so the last year's production figure is 15,20,000 units. France is at the 9th spot. The car production of France last year was 16,80,000 units. Renault, Peugeot, Citroën belong to France. While Renault has already entered India, Citroën and Peugeot are on the way. In the 8th place is Brazil. This is the biggest country of the South American continent. It is a developing economy and it produced 24,50,000 cars in the last year. Seventh place goes to Spain. It is a part of European Union. Spain produced 24,80,000 cars in the last year. USA stands in the 6th place. Although no longer the big brother it was, USA still produced 25,10,000 passenger cars last year. Some of the well-known brand names of this country are Ford, Chrysler, General Motors, Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, Dodge, etc. Now we go into the big league, the top 5, and the country in the 5th place is South Korea. The little country manufactures 36,10,000 cars. Though a small country, it is a big player in the global car market. Some well-known brands are Hyundai, Kia, and SsangYong. India, our home country, is at 4th place. We have crossed heavyweights like UK, USA, France, Russia, Brazil in car production. Last year, despite the market being down, we produced 36,20,000 cars. Tata, Mahindra, Maruti are our homegrown brands. Germany holds the 3rd spot. This is a country where most of the technology related to automobile stems from. The major brands of Germany are Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Opel, etc. The production in Germany has been 46,60,000 units. Japan is in 2nd place. Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi, Suzuki, Nissan, Lexus, Isuzu, Subaru are all Japanese brands. They produced 83 lakh 30,000 cars last year. The first place belongs to China, a big country, big population, and a big market. Their production last year stood at a whopping 2 crores 13 lakh units. Their prominent car brands include SAIC, Geely, Dongfeng, FAW, Chang'an, BAC, and Great Wall. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the information. Let us know through your comments. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks and namaste.